Right, here we go. Dreddy says it is Max Sup Pump Lite by Flextail. We're going to check it with a 12'8", 12'6" touring / race board. The usual board that I tested the air bank with. You tuned in last week, the Outdoor Master Catch a Lot 2S. That's going to get its tests today. A bit tongue-tied today. But we're going to look at this one. Now, this is not the battery version. We're going to test it plugged straight into the 12-volt marine on the van. So we're going to unbox it, we're going to test it, and then in about 6 months' time, there'll be a follow-up video. Did it last? All right, let's get straight into it. So the first thing is it's obviously in a huge box. Because, no great surprise, it's huge. You get a bag, you get a manual, which we won't be needing. It's well packaged. Here's the beast. On-off switch and DC in. You get a hose and you get a 12-volt marine adapter, which looks nice and thick. Right. That's the unboxing. That's it. That's all you get. That's all you need. Just plug it in for you. Now, this cable isn't very long. Isn't very long at all compared to, I'm going to say, any of the others. I'll just throw the camera around, shall I? This one is the Outdoor Master. And you get another 2.5 feet out the Outdoor Master. But anyway, this does mean that we're going to have to use the specially built 12-volt on the back, literally just for this purpose. But for now, let me show you it plugged in. Right, so we plugged it into the van and put the hose adapter on, plugged it in underneath. Over here, you've got your settings, and you've got SUP, kite, and mat. They just have 3 different presets, which is pretty much pointless, isn't it? You're going to set it to what you need to set it to. In this case, I think we're 18 PSI on this board, so will it reach? Surprisingly, yes. Need to clean the van. So let's unravel the board and get it ready. Always make sure that the pin on your SUP goes up and down. Check out the how to inflate paddleboard video for more info on that. Oh yeah, the max recommended on this is 15, which I'm still on the fence about, to be honest. So we're going to do 15 anyway. And off we timer and go. And press the wrong button. Go. Right. That's bloody loud. That's really loud. Right, decibel meter. 85 decibels. That's horrendous. Right, second stage. Second stage is 87. It's not quite as whiny, but from the tip of the board, it's about 70 decibels. All right, back with the Flextail, and give or take a few seconds at the start. Stop shouting. 7 minutes, 7.5 minutes, we'll call it. It's not even warm. That's a good sign. Let's check the hose. Yeah. Okay. 7.5 minutes. The hose is warm. The unit is not. It's really, really loud. Yes, it was inside the van, so that's going to, add to the problem. But we're going to try all the boards in the same sort of test scenario just to check. So there you have it. 7.5 minutes. It's big. It's loud. It draws 8 amps. Okay. So your average car starter battery between 60 and 80 amps. If you run this for half an hour, you're going to be pretty close to draining your battery. So leave your engine running maybe, or just do one board. I'm using the onboard leisure battery in the camper van, so it's absolutely fine. Okay, that's it for this. 6 months later is coming up, but we'll see. It's big, it's loud, it's not got a battery, but you can probably pick them up cheap. Links down below if I can find them on for sale still. They do a battery with a version with a battery as well. Just can't talk today. All right, guys, you take care. Hope you're enjoying Sup Sunday. I'll catch you for the next one.